In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the cache directory in AdsPower, ensuring that your browsing profiles have optimal performance and sufficient space to store the necessary data. First things first, let's open up AdsPower. You'll want to navigate to the Settings section, which is conveniently accessed via the Local Settings option. This is where you'll find the cache settings that we'll be working with today. So, once you've reached the cache settings section, you'll notice that the current cache folder path is displayed. You also have the option to click on the folder icon. This will open up the specific location where your cache files are currently stored. If you're satisfied with the current settings, you might not need to change anything. But, if you find yourself running low on space, or if you simply wish to reorganize your files, it might be time to change that folder location. Now, on Windows, AdsPower provides a very handy feature that allows us to customize the cache directory according to our needs. The first thing you will need to do is choose a new folder or disk. The key here is to select a location that has enough storage space. Ideally, you'll want to use a drive that offers more free space than your current one. This will help prevent your computer from running into performance issues later on, because cache files can sometimes take up a significant amount of space. Now that you've chosen a new directory, it's crucial to ensure that all the existing cache files are copied from the old location to the new one. This step is essential because it will make sure all of your profiles still have access to the data they need. Think of it as moving house. You need to take your furniture with you, so that your new home feels just as comfortable as the old one. Take your time during this step to verify that all data is accurately copied over. Once that's done, it's time to save your settings. This part is pretty straightforward. Confirm the new directory as your cache folder and hit Save. However, to ensure that everything takes effect correctly, you'll need to restart AdsPower or relaunch your profiles. This little step might seem small, but it's vital for your changes to be registered and function as expected. And there you have it. You now know how to expertly navigate and change the cache directory in AdsPower, allowing for smoother performance and better organization. Remember, maintaining an organized system can help prevent future issues, keeping your tech life running like a well-oiled machine. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to check back for more helpful guides.